Wow! Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's signal number 10 here in Hong Kong. As you can see here, it's very windy. But it's not as strong as in other places of Hong Kong. This part is not so strong, but you can see there the plants even fell down. It's very dangerous. It's really very strong because it's signal number 10. Oh, it's very windy. See? I'm here outside. But I have a shade. There's a shade here. It's a bad part here. The other part is really very strong. It's signal number 10. As you can see here. It's cool in windy, but it's really very dangerous. Just moving forward there. But still some people, I saw somebody went out with umbrella, but it's not really good. Wow, very dangerous. You see the trees there? You can even fly a person. Wow. See? It's really very strong. Signal number 10 is really very strong, but in this part it's not as strong as in the other places. As you can see that one, the trees, they say that it's hurricane number 10. You see, it's really dancing. But it's still some people. There's one woman there. There's one woman there walking with umbrella. See the floor? But this side is because it's covered by the buildings. It's not as windy as at the other side. You can see. Really very windy, very strong. As you can see that one. Today is Sunday, but this side is not. That side. It's really very dangerous. I saw some domestic helper here out, but for me to come out of the video, and there most of them have signal number 10 here. In other places of Hong Kong, it's really very strong. It can lift a person. Because I tried to went at the other side, it's really pushing me. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching the signal number 10, typhoon signal number 10. Bye bye. See you next time. Even the plants are dancing.